Hey guys, this is lesson 2.9 and this is division problem solving. So these are story problems. We worked them here on Friday in class and I'm going to give you an example to help you on your homework. So the problem is Joe picked 11 times as many berries as Tom. Together they picked 936. So the key ones right here are Joe picked 11 times as many berries as Tom, and together they picked 936. How many berries did each person pick? Okay, so remember we're going to use this box method here. So I'm going to put Joe, I'm just going to put a J for Joe right here, and a T for Tom. And Joe picked 11 times as many berries as Tom. So I'm just going to put one box for Tom. And Joe picked 11 times as many as Tom, so he's going to have 11. So I'm going to make a big rectangle, split it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 boxes here and one box. So Joe has 11 and Tom has 1 because Joe picked 11 times as many. And all together they picked 936. So that is all the information we need to solve this problem. So the next step is we divide. So we take our 936, our total, and we divide it by the number of boxes we have. So we have 12 boxes, 11, 12. So 12 goes into 93 7 times, I believe. So 7 times 12 is 84. We subtract, we get 9, bring down to 6. And 12 could go into 96 one more time, then 84, so it would be 8. So it would be 78. 8 times 12 is 96. And we do not have a remainder. So this 78, this quotient that we just found right here, is the number that's going to go into every box. So 78, 78, all the way across in every box. Okay, so we have divided. We found out there's a 78 in every box. And now we can find out how many berries each boy picked. So Tom has one box with 78 in them. So Tom, he just picked 78 berries. That's it. Joe, he picked 78 11 times. He picked 11 times as much as Tom. So to find out how many Joe has, we can do 78 and times that by 11. So we have 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 7 is 7. Start with a 0, 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 7 is 7. We add, we get 8, 15, and another 8. So Joe picked a total of 858 berries. Remember that we can get a lot of information from this. We have to be really careful what the question asks us. This one says how many did each pick, so we found that answer out. But the question could say how many more berries did Joe pick than Tom? So then we'd need to subtract. Or how many fewer berries did Tom pick than Joe? We'd need to subtract. Or there's a lot of different ways that they could word the story problems. So you just have to be really careful when you read them that you are looking for exactly what they want. Okay, here is your extra credit problem. You have just S and R, or Sam and Ruth, or whatever it is. And together they picked, we'll stick with berries, they picked 310 berries. And Ruth picked 9 times as many berries as Sam. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares, 9 boxes for Ruth, and only 1 for Sam. I want you to find how many more berries did Ruth pick than Sam. Again, how many more berries did Ruth pick than Sam?